I'm James Ayre. I work for Rolls-Royce. My role at Rolls-Royce is Manufacturing Service Executive for Civil Aerospace. 5 years ago now, or maybe a little bit longer, we introduced Pathfindr into our development business to track our assets. And we purely bought the system as an asset tracking device. Since then, we've developed it much greater than what it can do. And our understanding of the device is growing almost daily. And the purpose of doing that is when we started to understand the tracking benefits, we was tracking toolings to start with. And very quickly we realized actually the biggest asset we had is data. And our data is driven by our assembly control records. And at the time, these records would go to multiple different locations and we were losing valuable time with our operators searching for either tooling or an ACR systems or our documentation or any other valuable asset that we really needed. So by putting this tracking system on to our assets, not only did it speed up the time of going to locate the asset, but it could do a number of other things. One is map the location on where did that asset actually travel to? So how far did that asset travel before it's eventually arrived at where it needs to go? But also then it allowed me to think about, do I need to procure more assets? So if I had a lifter, and that lifter was to visit multiple locations, do I need to go and buy another lifter to save that time on waste? So really it allowed me to get the data to go back with a business case and say, you know what, the return on investment of a new asset using this data pays for itself. The bit I really like about the system is the simplicity that it gives me. So the ability to allow any operator to scan a tag, put it on an asset and instantly start getting data is the bit I really like. So, you know, we don't have to program it, we don't have to code it. It's purely get your phone out, scan it, stick it on an asset, and straight away we start getting valuable data on where that asset is. So the thing I really like today about the partnership that we have with Pathfindr is that the ability to change the system on how we use it is within our own gift. So we work closely with Pathfindr to think about what systems could we use it on, and they come back with solutions. So for example, as mentioned, we used it as a tracking device. Since then, we're now using it as an IoT device. And the IoT device allows us to monitor temperature, vibration, humidity, and where that asset has been. So with that, we're now using it in multiple different locations and multiple different systems. So everything from tracking a tool to monitoring the air temperature and humidity of an engine or even a CMM room. Would I recommend you? Absolutely. So as I mentioned, the partnership that you can get and the ability to work closely with the engineers to design and develop a solution is one of the things that I really like. And it is a partnership. You know, we come with ideas and the team here at Pathfindr really try and deliver on what we have. And they're always open to innovation and coming back with new ideas and stuff that we've not thought about. So I absolutely would recommend them. It's a great team and you know, it's been really easy working with them.